So there's no more fridge in the the fridge I was in the garage is now gone. Holy shit, it's cold out here. I gotta be quick. The reason why it's gone is because I have two brother-in-laws and two sisters, and their fridge broke. Well, my other sister and my other brother-in-law, their fridge broke, and my brother-in-law, he came and picked it up, and the fuck is that noise? Well, I gotta hurry this up. Holy shit. Anyways, yeah, and they came and picked up the fridge, and now it's no longer here. All it remains is a wall, a bunch of leaves, empty soda cans, and empty bubble container things. Don't know what the hell that's about. So, yeah. Kind of depressed now, because I'm missing that fridge right there. Lock it, just in case. Oh, well, at least we still have this fridge. But look how crowded it is. Don't know why the hell there's cheese right there. That's really weird. Yes, I do know it's dirty and disgusting. What the hell does this say? I don't know. Probably, I'm guessing that, well, I saw, well, no. And here's the fuck was that? The fridge. We also got some Christmas presents. Don't know whose hat that is. I don't know. Now this one right here is for my niece, covering up the name tag, because I don't want to give any personal Gibbs, come on. Really? You just freaking peed. Why do dogs like to do that shit? I don't understand why dogs like to piss on every fucking thing they can possibly see. Bad boy. Oh, there we go. Don't do that. I don't know why the hell dogs like to do that shit. Oh, what are they talking about this time? Holy shit, dude. What the fuck? Moorhead Kinney. By Van Hostens. In Mopan River. Never ever heard of that name before my entire life. Yeah, I don't know why the hell dogs like to pee on everything they fucking see. It's annoying and just dumb. Don't. About to lick his freaking butt for no reason. That's it.